Are there some days where you feel really dull and empty about yourself? Nothing seems to be working. There is indecisiveness that takes over. You feel fidgety. The hobbies and passions that you felt very great about or pursued earlier feels like worthless. You don't want to talk to anyone. You don't want to get up from your bed and move out and meet the world. Well, hello. This is a definite symptom of clinically mild depression, and if you have any such symptoms, then this is the video for you, because in this video, me, Garima Bhandari, I'm going to show you that how yoga can really come in the picture, in the bigger picture, help you alleviate symptoms of any kind of depression that you're feeling, symptoms and signs of worthlessness, and how yoga can actually help, yoga practice rather, helps you, lift the release of mood lifting hormones, which is very, very essential to remove any signs of helplessness, worthlessness, or not good about yourself. So let's get started with this video, because in this video I'm going to show you a very easy asana. The asana is called Balasana, or the child's pose, which resembles to the fetus resting inside a mother's womb. So it's a very, very calming therapeutic posture. It works on your emotional, mental, physical, and like a holistic well-being. That's what our body actually is all about, and that's what yoga practice teaches us. That imagine yourself like a car, I would say. So even if you have a very good engine in the car, but if the tires are not functional, so the car is not going to function properly. So same is your body. If your body looks nice on the outside, but internally it's not very happy, in a very good state of mind, your heart is not emotionally satisfied, you're not happy with work, so it's going to reflect in some way or the other in the form of a disease or an ailment. So that's why we must practice yoga on a daily basis, whatever little time that we can take out to get the maximum benefits holistically on our body. So let's get started with Balasana. Balasana, if performed with a great gravitational pull, can work on your emotional, physical and mental solace. So first things first, for Balasana, we have to come in Vajrasana, placing our sit bones nice and gentle on our heels like this, keeping the integrity of the spine absolutely straight, and bringing and lowering our sternum and our belly, placing gently on our thighs like this, and then moving your hands forward in front of you, fingers facing forward, palms gently folded towards the floor, and now gently placing your forehead on the mat like this. Just breathing here. Balasana can be performed every day. Just make sure that your stomach is empty when you perform this asana. If you've had your meal, you can perform this asana after 4 to 5 hours after you've had your meal. And this is a very, very excellent posture if you suffer from any kind of lower back pain or indigestion. And secondly, as I said, that if you're feeling low, guilty about something that you've not even done, worthlessness is taking over, your concentration is becoming low, you feel fidgety, you feel that nothing is worthwhile. So as I said, if you have mild symptoms of depression, this is an excellent therapeutic restorative posture to move you away from any kind of mental pains or these kind of symptoms that you're encountering. So once again, breathing here, staying here for as long as you can, or at least 5 to 7 breaths. To return from the posture, simply come back, folding up towards the normal position and returning back to your starting position. Balasana is an excellent calming posture. As I said, it helps in release of happy hormones, melatonin, serotonin, and it is related directly to any symptoms of stress, hypertension, depression. If you are suffering from these symptoms, Balasana is the asana for you to practice every day. And do share your results with us. If you practice this asana, do recommend it to your family and friends. Please watch more such videos, therapeutic videos of yoga asanas only on FitTak with me, Garima Bhandari. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the page on Facebook. Happy practicing.